If you own a business and you're thinking about a divorce, so if there's a divorce on the horizon, you own a business, you want to figure out how to protect yourself and how to protect the business with a divorce on the horizon, there's a couple of ways to do it. So obviously, if you have an operating agreement for the business that already talks about how the business is going to be sorted out in the case of a divorce, um, we're going to go back and reference that agreement when we're doing your analysis for you as far as building your strategy for the divorce. Most people don't have an operating agreement because they never consulted a business lawyer. They never got that set up when they started the company. So, how do you protect yourself in a divorce? A thoughtful way to do it is a post-nup. So, you can do a post-marriage property separation agreement. Maybe if things are still on good terms between you and your spouse, y'all are still communicating well, this is a good time to do that post-nup. We could go ahead and say, hey, maybe if we ever were to get divorced in a hypothetical, here's what I want to protect you from with the business, and here's what I want from the business. Why don't we go see a lawyer and put that on paper? So sometimes you can do a post-nup, and doing a post-nup before the parties are angry at each other in a divorce could make a lot of sense. So if you have an operating agreement, great. We can use that if it's complete and thoughtful and thorough. If it doesn't address the divorce stuff, then maybe we still do the post-nup. So you could have a mediocre operating agreement and still need a post-nup. If you don't have an operating agreement, a post-nup definitely makes sense.